Every process begins here, where sour green mangoes are grown and chosen.
Only firm, unripe fruit delivers the sharp flavor required ahead.
Each crate is filled to exact weight and spacing.
Harvesting is careful, protecting texture and acidity.
Quality control starts long before the factory doors.
Harvest becomes shipment within minutes.
Freshness is preserved by rapid handling.
Timing is logged, ensuring traceability from tree to paste.
Begins immediately.
With harvest complete, processing moves closer.
Temperature and airflow remain controlled throughout transit.
Once loaded, speed and care protect the fruit's natural acidity. Every batch travels sealed and documented. Distance is minimized to preserve freshness.
Conditions are monitored until arrival.
The destination is already prepared.
Arrival is synchronized with production flow.
Weights are verified before processing begins. Every movement aligns with the factory's rhythm. Transport ends where transformation begins. At the gate, outside conditions give way to controlled precision.
This space connects harvest to processing.
The cargo is exposed for the first time since harvest. Handling remains gentle, even at this scale. Flow replaces manual movement. Each crate now follows a fixed path.
The factory environment takes full control. Verification prevents errors before they begin.
All streams converge inside one system. Preparation begins with purification. Cleanliness is confirmed before transformatio. Raw fruit enters its first controlled contact. Surface debris is removed without damaging skin.
Washing eliminates soil and residue.
Moisture is reduced before inspection. Uniform size ensures even processing.
Human judgment reinforces automation.
Controlled immersion completes the cleaning cycle. Moisture is reduced before inspection. Uniform size ensures even processing. Now, the fruit is ready to be changed. Nothing is wasted, only redirected. Controlled feeding ensures consistent output. Alignment prepares the fruit for precision cuts. Seed removal is fast and exact. Only usable flesh continues. Texture begins its transformation. Consistency is carefully refined. Sourness is measured, not guessed.
Sourness is measured, not guessed.
The process pauses for balance. Now, the paste takes its final character. Heat is applied with restraint. Flavor is locked in by rapid cooling. Safety is achieved without dulling flavor. Balance is achieved through exact measurement. The paste is allowed to settle. Uniformity defines quality. Smoothness is engineered. Paste reaches its intended profile. From here, machines take over. Foreign material is eliminated silently.
Protection is constant, even when unseen.
Human oversight remains essential.
Automation smooths every transition.
Stability prevents variation. Everything waits for the final step. Automation delivers precision at scale. Precision begins with alignment. Every movement is measured.
Information travels with every unit.
Cooling stabilizes the seal. Clean edges ensure secure sealing. Exact volume defines consistency. Traceability is permanent. Quality checks are continuous, not occasional.
Verification happens in a controlled environment.
Sourness is confirmed scientifically.
Safety is tested beyond the visible. Texture must meet exact resistance.
Color consistency confirms process stability.
Packaging is tested, not assumed.
Testing never interrupts momentum.
Only verified batches proceed. Quality control gives final permission. Flow is directed for stacking efficiency. Packaging ensures stability during transit. Storage organizes supply before dispatch. Traceability follows every unit.
Preparation sets the stage for shipment.
Efficiency ensures full utilization of space.
Products are on their way to market.
And this is how modern factories produce sour mango paste from start to finish.